Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a freshly wet 16 by 20 inch canvas and some ideas about what I might want to do with it. I'm hoping that that's not too wide and thinking that I just made a mistake, but I will figure it out no matter what. Oh boy! Yes, I have a longer card that will work perfectly, so let's not get upset. I am going to use all of my favorite colors and then some. That was the Hot Orchid. This is just a Hobby Lobby brand Master's Touch orange with some iridescent pearl fine in it. This is Dioxazine Purple, same Hobby Lobby brand. I just need paint to flow paint. This is my color shifting purple flash from Folk Art. This is some magenta, similar, very similar actually, to the Hot Orchid in a lot of ways. Here is a color called Cobalt Blue from Artist's Loft, which is very turquoise metallic. I do not know how this is going to turn out, but I did just use these colors, and I did enjoy them. Here is some Electric Blue from Arteza. I'm going to finish up with some gold. Because I need more paint, I'm going to go ahead and use some of this Arteza Magenta Pearl, or metallic. I have a little silver. I didn't put any of this color shifting turquoise in, and I don't think it's going to hurt anything. And there is also the Venetian Blue from Modern Masters. It's looking like I do have enough paint. I'm hoping I'm right. This is the Decor Americana 24 karat gold that makes everything pop. I'm thinking that I don't see any red, so I'm going to put in both the color shifting red from Folk Art and a little bit of the red metallic. And maybe I should have moved this into the middle. Maybe I can do that right now by letting it spread back and forth. I can try. So that's going to work for me. I've got a nice wide card, and I am going to attempt to cover as much of it as possible on the nice clean side. The top was not on my paint. Fortunately, I need that paint. Oh boy, what a mess. Okay, I'm not going to try and put that back on right now. I am going to use it like it is, though. I'm also going to push it down with my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, which should make spreading it a lot easier. I don't like wasting paint, but right at the moment, I'd rather use what I've got and waste a little bit. There's some Decor Americana 24 karat gold with orange in it. You know what? I didn't put any in of the yellow, Sargent's Yellow. That has a little bit of orange unicorn spit in it. I might have more paint on this than I need, which means that I'm going to go ahead and take some of it off, which I might use in a minute. I really did want a copious amount, so I got that much. Where is my... Yes, it's all going in there. This is the amethyst purple, and I'm probably going to have to blow into this. And I'm inclined to just turn around and do the other side so I can get busy. And use the paint that I have extra. I am making a mess. Let's just use it the way it is. This is the American Floetrol with Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner in it. That was adhering right to my... I got a suction! What am I supposed to do about that? Use more paint, I guess. Okay, somewhere here there's a yellow straw. There we go. This is cool. I have enough paint on my edge catcher, or my swipe card, to add a few weird things here and there, to distract from the odd shapes that have appeared in a couple of places. I have found that if I'm willing to blow into the cell activator, I get all kinds of awesome cells. And I could probably try and torch, but I'm definitely thinking of just letting things flow a little bit. Maybe even onto an edge catcher. I kind of like the difference in the two sides. I definitely want to try the torch before I go any further. That's enough of that, and now we're going to go back to what I had in mind. Which these beautiful colors are just going to get swallowed, which is kind of a shame, but it's a really strange mark. And I think it's still going to be beautiful. It might be better because of what I'm doing too. I'm not sure I can move the paint that I'm letting fall off onto the other side, but I'd like to. And back the other way. I'd like to fill this in over here. I'm not sure I can do that. But I don't give up easily either. Let me take my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula and use some of my colors. Because I can. Or at least I think I can. Sound like the little engine that could. I can definitely blow some of those around. So that's not bad. That sort of completed what I was hoping to camouflage a little bits of missing area. And of course I could probably add some color, but I don't really want to this one. I say that now. Then I see little strands of things. I'm not sure that straw worked as well there for that particular endeavor as other things. But I do like what I have. And by blowing into the black, I can still discover more colors. And the spots do tend to want to form cells, which is kind of pretty cool. Not sure about those. Oh, that's better. The purple helps. All right. So, where's my skewer? I've got a tool. It doesn't have a sharp end. I need a tool with a sharp end. Just because I want to help meld that. Can I steal some paint? Do I really need to? Probably not. I think I am going to add a little color shifting purple from Folk Art right there. And pick up some colors if I see someplace that's heavy. That's not it. Well, maybe I'll just cheat. A little bit of Folk Art, color shifting turquoise. Pick up a little bit of that cell activator. Yeah, I'm not too bad about it. I'm not too unhappy with that. That's beautiful, actually. I don't know what compels me to think that I have to have anything even. It's organic. I can put a couple waggles in here and there. I could put any colors in I wanted to. You could too. I'm assuming anyone will ever see this, since I had like 12 views on something that should have had thousands today. Channel's going through hard times, so if you want to be of assistance, I run a monthly drawing. You can win some awesome paintings in that drawing by making a contribution through PayPal or Patreon. And you can find those icons on my bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And if you make a donation, you will be automatically entered in that drawing. At which point I send you an email confirmation with a link to the video and copies of the prizes. This is pretty much exactly what I wanted to do. It's maybe not as wavy, but I don't have a lot of practice with it yet. But I definitely have the colors I wanted. And it fills the canvas from end to end. So that's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with all that. You know that's usually the invitation for me to add something, right? And I like that. And where's my... I don't want the gold, but I do want some of that gold. That does not bother me. Okay, I lied, it does. I'm going to put a little turquoise in there too. Love, love, love this turquoise. That makes it better for me. And I can use my residuals right over here happily. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I did set my timer. I got 2 minutes left. Please give me a thumbs up. When you like my videos, you help me out. When you share my videos, you might help my channel survive. If you watch longer and when the notifications come out, it's a big assistance. My email address, should you be interested in purchasing an artwork, is below the link tree. The first blue link under the video has my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, my website, and below the link trees, the email to contact me for information about taking a private class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or purchasing an artwork, which usually it helps to have the hashtag and the file number from the title of the video. I did say Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on the link tree. I'm not sure. My Amazon link is there, and if you shop there, you can find my 2 books, volumes 1 and 2, because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, and a whole lot of other good stuff. And your shopping helps me out at no added cost to you. If you have questions, please ask me. My community board will show you tomorrow's video most of the time. That might be the only place that you can find it anymore, actually. So it behooves you to check there. My Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, is for students, and it is on the Linktree. Thank you for all the wonderful comments and compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you have questions or you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, ask me questions in the comments or use my email if you must. And what was I going to say? I don't remember. There's the monthly drawing. You can see the prizes on the end screen exhibition video in the last 20 seconds. At the very beginning, you'll be able to see the prizes. I may have said that already. All right, so spring clothing under the video has all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And any shopping you do at pixels.com, Fine Art America, Spring, or The Gallerist all help me survive. So thank you very much for those of you who do that and who start shopping from Amazon on my page. Thank you so much. The Gallerist is awesome clothing made in Montreal. I thought I was going to have a bonanza because they're beautiful dresses and awesome investment quality kimono tops and beautiful things, but times are a little tough. So I love you guys. You still give me lots of inspiration, and I'll be back. I still post 7 days a week, even if you can't see the videos. If you look on my Facebook page, you'll find it. My paint pouring recipes are under Show More underneath the video. Take care of each other. Ooh, I didn't zoom in. You know what? Not only did I not zoom in, but I have an artificial light on in my studio, and you may not see anything in a moment, but we'll give it a shot anyway. Oh, that's pretty. Hopefully the camera will pick up and not be too grainy, but the cells are fantastic. Yeah, that's my timer going off. Camera shuts off at 20 minutes, no matter what I do. So I set it for 17, so I have a minute to talk to you guys. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Hope you come back soon. My playlists have over 2,100 videos on them, and if you need a link, all you have to do is ask me. I'll be happy to help you out. And if you're looking for them yourself, look on my YouTube channel under playlists, all playlists, created playlists. Bye for now. Priscilla out.